Yes, my dear students, am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. Yes, and today I decided that I will start my class after talking to you, after meeting you. Since long I haven't seen you all this ways, revealing myself to you. Every time I'm teaching, you can see only my hands, and the connectivity is also required while learning now. So today I decided I will talk to my dear friends. And why I really want to talk to you, because I'm really, really happy with the work you all are doing. You all are literally amazing. The art pieces you are sending to me, they are beautiful, outstanding, and I'm really proud of you. Really, you all have proved you are young artists, and I'm very happy with your work. Okay, and keep doing this ways, keep doing this kind of beautiful work, and I will keep meeting you this ways. Okay, so can I see a big smile on your face like mine? Badi wali smile. Yes, see my smile, how big it is. This kind of smile I want on everyone's face. Okay, so without delay, with this lovely smile, we will start our work. And I personally meet you because I really want to send my blessings to this lovely class, lovely students, lovely artists, and I'm really, really proud of you. Lots of love, lots of blessings. Shall we start our class now? Okay. So now I will just turn my camera on another side and we will start our class. Okay. Last class, so many students were saying, ma'am, please talk to us, meet us. I decided that I will definitely talk first and afterwards I will take my class. Okay. So today's artwork, again, a very beautiful artwork you will be learning. Okay. And I will keep this on my studio and you will be able to see everything properly. Okay, we all know a very special day is going to come on 5th June, Environment Day. That is a very beautiful environment day in many schools, competitions and all. When I was doing corrections and I found many students requested, ma'am, this day is coming, please guide us with some topics. And so today I decided I will be teaching you the drawing of beautiful environment day because 5th is environment day, okay? So this was all about our work, okay? Shall we start? So see, I'm going to take my A3 size paper today. Okay. This is my A3 size paper. And I will simply keep I will take a fresh paper, not this. Okay. And I will take a plate. Okay. We need a plate. You can take it from your kitchen or any circle, any ring you have. See, whatever is the size, A3, A4, whether whatever. Okay, suppose you are taking A3, your plate will be bigger. Little space here and little space here. This is the important thing. You can take a big bowl. And if you are using A4 size paper, then your plate will be small. I keep this some standard size of plates. This is also a plate. Normally, I use it for coloring and all. Okay? So this is a perfect size for my paper. See, those who want to tell anything, they can message me. Okay? Now I will keep it this way. And see, this is normal sketching file with thick paper. Okay? Today I'm using A3 size paper, but normally I use A4 size paper. But if you're using A4, it is not going to make a difference. Simply your plate will become small, bus. Now I will keep it in center and I will draw a circle like this. Come on, draw a circle. You are going to learn a lovely concept. This concept is, you can try for beautiful earth, beauty of India, beauty of earth, wonderful nature, save environment, even save nature, use renewable natural energy, to save environment. This topic also you can connect it to it. Okay. So this ways we can connect it. Okay. Yes, I'm repeating this. It's a simple circle. Okay. I used paper, a plate. You can use any plate and you can draw a circle. Any size of paper you can take. Now what you will be doing, this is the center, right? This is the center of circle. I will be taking 1 point here on side. Take 1 point on side. Okay. Now all of you please focus more on learning, less on sending messages. Okay. Send message when it is very important and related to artwork. Okay. Otherwise what will happen? Your attention will divert. Because even I just keep look over the messages simultaneously. And we are learning a drawing on Environment Day. On 5th, we have Environment Day. So for this, we are learning this beautiful drawing. This is the center of circle. I took a point here. I will take a point here now. Diagonal, here. Okay. Which, because I will be showing hairstyle using S, and I will finish it here. Those who joined late, for them, I'm repeating this again. What I did, I took a plate, leaving some part here, some part of here. In the center, I draw a circle. After that, I took my center of my circle. Okay. And after taking center of my circle, I simply if it is slightly smaller or bigger, it's okay. If your circle is slightly small, slightly, not very small. Okay, don't take very small. And Naisha is having birthday tomorrow. So in advance, as we don't have class tomorrow, Naisa, happy birthday in advance. Lots of blessings. May God shower blessings in your life. Okay, now see, from here, I will write S. All of you say how to write. From here, I will be showing S. I will go this ways and come here. See this ways. And this is line. S for, this is S. S for success. Come on, make it. Okay, and I don't know your name. It's 086. 086. She is having birthday today. Will you please rename yourself? It is Suman. And Suman is also having birthday today. And 086, I don't know what's your name, beta. So my lots of blessings. May God shower blessings in your life. And please rename yourself, as I can't, I don't know your name. I can see you and read you as 086. Boys, girls, every, okay, now after this, it is S. You can use A3 size, A4 size, any paper. I draw S and I will connect it here. See this bottom line I have now? I will just give a flow and finish it here. Downwards, come on. Extend the line and finish it downwards. And from here, come on, do this. And from here, what I will be doing? I will be going here and I will be making flat S. Normally we write S this way now, but here I will be writing this way. Flat, okay? This is the correct way. So here I will connect it here, S. Okay? S, this way. Come on, do this. Okay, I'm repeating again and again because many students are joining late. What I did, I took a circle, draw a circle in center. This is my center point. I took a point on side. I draw S, which is connecting here, and then just give a fall this ways. I draw one more S to show here. Now, I will be making two lines. Okay, I will be making two lines of equal size. Come on, draw with me. These are two lines of equal size. And here. Small point here and here. Okay? Here and here. These are 2 points. I will convert this line in a D. Okay, D, capital D. D for determination, right? And this drawing is containing the real story of Earth. Okay, real story of Earth. So be ready to listen that story next class. And this ways, I will complete eyes. Okay? We are making a drawing on Environment Day. है ना? Environment Day. So save environment. Again, save nature, save environment. So I simply draw D. Okay? I will take 2 points. 2 points. And make sure you will be making round, not oval. Okay? Yes, Hargun, you want to ask anything? Complete artwork I will be showing in between, not now. Okay? Okay, chalo, as Hargun is asking again and again. See, your artwork will be this. After completing, this is going to be your artwork. Okay? We will be making a complete earth and beauty of earth in the hair. Okay? Because this is earth. So this artwork we are going to learn today. Okay? Chalo, let's get started. And this is a beautiful drawing on save nature, save environment, the love of nature, beauty of India, beauty of nature, whatever. You can connect it to any topic. Okay? So now see these 2 points. I will be taking 1 and 2 points. 1 and 2 points. Okay? Jasmine is having her birthday on 19. So we have time. We have time. We will definitely wish you also. See, this ways I will be making round. Don't make it oval. And see, I'm touching these 2 points. So it is actually round, but it should touch the upper eyelid. Okay? This ways. Yes, I will be showing here once again. This is the center. I will take a point on side. From here, and I took a point here. Then from here to here, I draw S. Then I came down. From here to here, again, I draw one S, came down. Okay? And now I took 2 points on the D. These 2D, I draw a big circle. And make sure your circle should be big. And now one more circle. I will connect and draw one more big circle inside. Okay, this ways I will be making one more circle. You also make? Okay. I draw one more circle and this circle is also connected. I want to check it. I want to check the work. All of you, please lift up your work and show. And see this drawing, you please understand nicely, listen nicely, draw nicely, because this is very helpful for so many topics, okay? For competition, in competition, you can connect so many concepts to one single, this kind of drawing, okay? And now, the eyes are done. Don't forget to show eyebrows. I will be showing eyebrows. Your very small eyebrow is visible. So, I will be making eyebrows, okay? For making eyebrows, I will use letter C again. And now, I will give it a fold eyes this. From here, make it a big S. Let it come this way. About small tiny C to show nose and a smile, a beautiful smile. Again a line, and make sure, students, that your lips should not touch chin. Okay, your lips should not touch chin. Here it will finish. Yes, in the end, we will definitely talk, okay? And I will show my face also. So see this face, it is a line. And again, I will be converting it in D. D. Okay, this ways. And if you feel that you don't want to make side face, you can exactly make it in center also. It is looking little slanting. You can make it in center also. Okay, so this ways, this is 3 and 1 line to show teeth. Okay. Again, letter D for making smile, D for showing eyes, D for this, and D for showing smile. And don't forget to make 1 and 2 circles. Okay, a big and small, 1 and 2 circles in eyes. Okay. And see, this ways I draw a big S, and I will show the complete nature on Mother Earth. Okay. I want to check it. All of you, please lift up your work. Yes. Yeah, Jasmine, in the end, I will definitely meet and show my face, okay? For very sure. Very beautiful. Such lovely drawing. Lovely, okay? So this is the drawing on safe, love nature, love environment. Yeah, Environment Day. Now you will take eraser and erase this upper circle. Erase it completely. Okay? Take eraser and very carefully. See, erasing is also something which we should do very carefully. Okay? Now, students, please stop sending messages. Send message which is connected to this artwork. Okay. Don't send any extra message. Okay, beta? Please focus on your artwork because continuously sending message is diverting you also. Okay. Give your complete focus in learning. Okay. And if you have any doubt related to our question artwork, then only send. Okay. So what I did, I draw a circle. I took a point on side, draw S here, D 3 times, 1, 2, 3 times, 2 times for making eyes, once for making smile. O 2 times for showing eyes, small tiny C for making nose and eyebrows. And now this much part of face is done. For making eyes, I draw D and O. Redmi, if you have some technical problem, you please do one thing. You leave class and join again. Okay, so I think that will be solved. Done? Shall I step on? Please show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Thumbs up if you have done. Thumbs up with what? Buddy, Bali, smile. Yes. Chalo, now, after this, I want to show a great river in this environment. Hai na? Now, this complete environment is the beauty of this environment. And why this earth is looking so happy? Because everything is balanced. Everything is balanced. Hai na? Everyone is taking lots of care of environment. Water is healthy. Forests are healthy. Given human beings, they are healthy. Now, from here, and I will connect it here. Okay, I will draw this kind of line and connect. It's again one S. If you'll see now, this is also one S, but it is very slightly curved. Come on, draw this face. And this is a river in Mother Earth's here. River. Okay, come on, show this face. And now we will show, and see, for showing the happiness of everything, we will use symbols. We will be using symbolized drawing. Okay? Please, students, focus on whatever I'm teaching. It's a request. Please don't send continuously the message which are not connected to artwork. Okay? Please, because it is diverting you too. You are not able to focus on work. When you're continuously doing messages, then how will you be able to focus? Yes, please repeat here. Okay? Full focus. If you have any doubt, then only you will be sending messages. Otherwise, don't send messages. Okay? So see, this ways, what I did, I simply connect with a curved line until the end. And now first I will be showing rivers, riverbeds, beauty, some stones. Come on, some stones here. And some grass. Okay, some grass to show. This is river. If you have made a flat, then also it's okay, but curved will look more better. Okay. And now I will be using simply symbols for making. So here I will be making 2 ducks. Okay, and here few fishes. Okay. Yes, I'm waiting for everyone. Finish this. What I did from here, I just draw with a curved line. I draw C for showing stones and V for showing grass. This is V. From here, you will be making a curved line with me. Yes, we will be erasing the lines perfectly. After this, I will be writing 2. Okay, 2. What I will be writing? I will be writing 2. Done? All of you have done? Will you please show? Will you please lift up your work and show? I want to check it. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Very good. Now let's come back to work. I will be showing some stone and grass. I will be making two swans or a duck. So how to write two? See, this is, normally we write two straight line, but you will be making it slightly curved. And those who can't make two this ways, they can simply make two this ways also. I'm showing you both. Okay, you can make two this ways also and this ways also. Any one you can select. Okay. If you can write this ways, your duck will look little different. Otherwise, write simple. Those who feel we can't write this ways, they can write this as 2. Number 2. Done? Thumbs up. Show thumbs up if it is done. I'm going to make 2 ducks. Okay. And I will be making few fishes here. See, you are supposed to cover it completely with stone and grass. You must have made a very small grass and stone, jasmine. That's why the space is left. Simply make it big. Otherwise, make more. Simple. Now, this is the point. This is the point from where I'm going to write J. All of you see how to write? This is a straight line and give it a shape of curve. J for jug. Straight line, then curve. In J, we do this ways only, in a straight line and curve. You can make either this ways or this ways. Any ways you can use. So what I did, I draw 2, then I draw J. J for jug. I will simply write V. See on this point, you will be writing a small V. Small V. Come on. V. Small tiny eyes. Small tiny eyes by making 2 dots. Small tiny 2 dots. And don't forget to draw a C for cat. Again a C. Okay, C again. Let's see, making a duck is that simple. And sometimes in your science and SST, you are supposed to draw birds. So you can try duck this ways. And I will be simply making a curved line to show that it's swimming. Okay? In water, curved line. Come on, show a curved line. See, if you have space for 2, you can make 2. If you feel that no, I will be making one big, but so you can make, and if you want to make a baby, you can make a baby also. Okay, but I don't want so many things to add. So better you make 2 only. But you will not make your things very small, tiny. No. Okay, you can see these 2 ducks has occupied the width of my. Now, fish. Show the ducks. Show these ducks. All of you lift up your work. Yeah, perfect. Okay, don't make your objects very small and tiny. Now, C for cat. C for cat. Otherwise, it will become difficult for you to color. This is the last point. I will not take point in center. I'm talking in under. And I will be writing one more C from here. I will cross. Come on, one more C. Yes, I'm repeating ducks. What I did, I draw 2. Then from the point of where 2 start, I draw J for jug, a C, and a V. Okay, this is the method of making duck. Now making fishes, this is C. Last point again. And join. Very simple symbolic fishes we will be making. One more C inside in the body. Eyes. And simply U to show fins. C for showing fins. Okay? We will not go for different. And you don't make too many. Okay? 2 or 3 fishes are enough. Don't make too many. C for cat. I will take a point here. Yes, this drawing is having a great story, but next class, not today, okay? Because I always share my stories in coloring sessions. And I will be sharing the real story of Earth, okay? So see 2 fishes and 1 more here. So you can add 3 fishes, okay? Now we know the method of making. Simply add. Okay? I will not make bubbles and all. That all we will be doing in our next class, okay? And now I will be showing bushes. Now see, just near this tree, lots of bushes are there, okay? Yes, I want to check this part. Yes, all of you show your files. I want to check this part. Shabash, very beautiful. Lovely, okay? If you have colorful sketch pens, keep your colorful sketch pens also ready because fishes and all, they are very small now. Acha, now I will show some stones here. Make this kind of irregular shapes. This is O, but I will be making it some big and some small stones on the side, river side. Again with some grass. Okay, little grass. Okay, and I will be showing this ways. Bushes. Let's show bushes. C for cat, C for cat, C. Big, small, very small, big, small, big. Show lots of bushes as the lovely tiara of Earth. Show bushes like this. Okay, C for cat. I simply took C, then again a C, then a small C, again a C. This ways you will be completing. Okay, and make sure mountains are also left. We are going to show mountains also. Okay, how to show mountains? Flat. V, don't make it pointed, flat. Okay, one more. One more. Okay, as it is the crown. It seems as if it is the crown of Mother Earth. Okay, and see, you will not make it pointed. You will be making it very flat. Okay, very beautiful, lovely, very nice. I want to check it. All of you show. All of you show. Mountains and all, yes. And see, Mother Earth is happy because you can see river, the fishes, duck, everything is happy. And trees, river's health is very good because here in this Mother Earth, which we are making in this environment, everything is saved, everything is taken care of. It's okay. If your half hill is coming, it's okay. I will be showing some trees behind bushes. So don't make them very big. This way is 11. Draw 11, then V. 11, then V. and simply show trees in front of small, not very big. 11, I'm showing it again, 11, V and tree. Okay, this way you will be showing 2, 3 trees. Okay, you can make one more here. This way is a complete jungle. So this side we showed the beauty of Mother Earth by showing water, bushes, jungle and mountain. But Mother Earth wants even human beings to be happy. Okay, so we will showing human beings here. But before this, I will be showing that Earth is happy because we stopped using diesel and petrol. At place of this, we are using non-destructible energy, renewable energy. And that is wind energy. Let's make wind energy. This is 1, 1, 1, 11, and I will connect 1 from top. Okay, it's looking like a V. O. Okay. And what you will be doing? You will write V. This way is V. Come on. I'm making windmills. I'm going to add solar panels also, Arhan. Hannah, on houses, we will add solar panels. Here you can see in this artwork. See, these are solar panels. And wind energy and solar panels are also there. Happy human is also there. So V and 1. Okay, so I will be making a few more. V. Now we all know how to draw. And I will be. So here the earth is happy because here people are using in this earth, human beings, they are not polluting environment. They are using solar panels for producing electricity, for running factories, for house cooking food and all. So no pollution is there. Now here I will be showing houses. Okay. Now come on this part. This part of the means everyone is living in harmony. No one is disturbing others' life. This kind of earth, this kind of environment, Mother Earth is expecting from us. Okay. Simply, done. Shall I step on? Okay, finish this quickly. Solar panels. Yes, I'm waiting. When in the beginning of class, I was communicating with you, were you able to see me? How many of you were able to see me? Okay. Thank you. Today's class, I kept that way so that we can talk. Okay. Now, after this, V. Now here I will be making symbolic houses. And don't make it very small, tiny. Many were making very small, tiny. No. I'm going to make V. And I will take 2 points. Then 1, 1, 11. Simple houses. I will not make it anyways technical. Because we are going to use symbols only. Okay, just symbols. One house here. And one house here. Slightly backside. Okay? Don't make it very small. Yes, we will talk in the end also, okay? So see this ways. I completed V. I will be making one more V. Same ways, I will be making one more V. And connect. Okay, simple house. We will not make it technical. And here, to maintain the clarity, to maintain the environment, the beauty of environment, they are using solar panels. Now see how to make solar panels. Simply draw a rectangle on house. Okay, make this kind of standing lines and one sleeping line. Solar panel is ready. Simply connect it with stand, 2 lines. Okay, so everyone is using solar panels. Okay, simply this way you will be completing solar panels. And we will not go for any kind of complex shape. We will do it very light, simple. And a U. Okay, you can first write 1, 1, 11 and then connect it with U. Okay, this is U. Same here. U. Please click on active speaker view. Those who can't see me, rest all can see my work. Yes, can all see my work? Okay, fine. So those who are not able to see me, you click on active speaker view or you check your internet. Draw one O to complete the house. Okay, O. Very simple way of making this kind of houses. Okay, and say many students want to show their artwork like Whirly art and different craft work. Don't worry, students, you can simply send it on Instagram. I will check your artwork there. If your house is big, you can make windows. Whatever extra artworks you are doing, like Whirly art, craft, and different paintings, you can send it on my Instagram ID. I will definitely see and cover it up. No, class is not over. Class is still going on. Now I will be showing human beings. Okay, they are also happy. Earth will be happy when human beings will also be happy. So what I will be doing? I will simply make one O. Don't make human beings very small and don't make it very big also. O, then V. Draw a V. Okay, draw a V like this. I will make 2, so it will give you practice. O, then V. Now I will be taking 2 points on both the side and draw 1, 1, 11. Come on, draw 1, 1, 11. I'm repeating O, V. I will take 2 points, 1, 1, 11. I will simply draw 2 lines here. We are going to color it next class. Not today, next class. Okay. See, from here it is L. From here it is L, L, L. Okay. First you make a line. And just below this L. This point of L, this point of L, you will be writing V. Okay. Come on, do this. And simply draw U. How to draw U? You start from here, connect. Start from here, connect. Now see students, those who feel that my speed is not good, if I have completed one house, the second house you can do afterwards, okay? You are supposed to be in rhythm of us. Suppose I'm going to make 2 human beings and if your speed is slow and you are not able to make 2, only 1. So 1 you can do after the class also. I will be writing V. Okay, this is again happy human beings because environment is clean, everything is happy. And no punishment of environment as we are bearing today, as we disturb our environment so much. Okay, this is V. Here, this is T-shirt. This is T-shirt. This is L from both the sides. I will connect L with V. And simply C for showing shoes. Okay, and we are going to show them in shadow. So I will not make face and all. If you want to show girl, you can show girl also. This is just symbolic that human beings are happy. If you want to show a girl, yes, you can show. Okay? And see, this way I showed this human being also. They are also very happy. Okay? Very happy. Now this part I will be showing a baby mama bear, baby bear. See, you can see mama and baby with so many flowers and all. Okay, we will be covering up this part this way. But before that, don't forget to show a sun. Okay, don't forget to show a sun. It lines big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Come on, draw a sun behind mountains and birds. M, 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 M. Mahanya, as you joined late, beta, so you just look at artwork. Don't do anything now. You simply see how we are doing. And afterwards, with the help of recording, you can do this complete work. Okay, don't worry. Because we provide recording to every class, of every class to every child. Okay, you simply see how we are doing. Now I want to show a big flower here in Mother Earth's hair. I will be making a circle here. Okay, because here I want to show flower garden along with two animals. Why I want to show two animals? Because I want to show that they are also happy. They are also very happy. You can show them here also. If you want to show, you can show them here also. I will be simply dividing my flower in lines. Okay, like sun rays make block. And now two letters I will be writing. I can write S, C, S, C. Now see how? From here S, come on, write S. From here S, and from here C. C. S, C. Now again, from the point from where you write C now, again S, again C. From here again S, again C. This ways you will be making a beautiful flower in Mother Earth's hair. S and C. S, C. S, C. And a beautiful flower will be ready. Okay? You can erase this line of hair. And here I'm showing that a small flick, a line of hair is falling on Mother Earth's face also. Okay? A line of hair. You can see here in my drawing, the hair line is falling on face. I will also show this face. It will add grace to my work. And I will add a small tiny butterfly. I want to check the work. All of you lift up your work. Show me. Yes, all of you show me your work. S, C. S, C. Okay, and students, in my drawing, I'm making everything 2 or 3, like fish is 3, duck 2. So those were a little slow. And I suppose you're a little slow in drawing. And you're able to make only 2. So third, you can draw after the class also. Okay? When I will start for the next, you will start. Very good. Wonderful. I will be showing a small butterfly here. I will be showing, if you have space, you make, otherwise don't skip it. V, small tiny butterfly. V, and U. This is simply U. Okay. Now I will be making 2 lines upwards. 2 lines upwards. And 2 lines downwards. Upwards, downwards. And I will simply connect these 2 points with 3. Decide a center point also, 3. Okay, 3. A small tiny butterfly. And simply J for jug, J for jug. J for jug to show tendrils. Okay. As in our artwork, so many things are here. Even for coloring, and we will have to be little quick. So this ways, I completed one butterfly, a big flower. And now in the end here, I will be showing bushes. C for cat, C for cat, C for cat. Come here. Show bushes. You can even cover up Mother Earth's hairline also. Yes, I'm going to show a mama bear and a baby bear here. Okay? Mama and baby. If you have big space, you can make more. Okay? And I will simply, okay, you no need to take one object. Try to make circle without any object. Mama and baby, they're so happy. And so many bushes, so many things are here. Nothing to worry. Animals are not disturbing human life. Human are not disturbing anyone, animal's life. If there is no space, if you have lots of space, you can make more bushes and you can add more flowers and butterflies, okay? If you have more space, you can add more things. If you have less space, you can simply reduce things. If you have less space, then make only one house, one person. Okay, now I will make one more O, which is starting from the middle. One more O and one more O again. 3 times O. Okay, same. And from where it starts from the center. O and one more O. Do it freehand. Come on. Do it freehand. O. Then from center, one more O. Then one more O. Okay? Mama and baby. Yes, I'm waiting. All of you do. I'm waiting. Okay? Okay, and yeah. Done? Show thumbs up if you have done. Thumbs up. Okay, you can, if you have space, you can even make a family of beer. Okay. So what I did, I simply draw 2 circles. I took the center point. From there, I started one more big circle, one more circle, then one more. And now I will simply draw one. See here, just below this small circle, 1 and C. 1 and C. Okay, baby and mama. And 2 dots for showing eyes. See, you can make any other kind of flower also. If you can't make this, you simply make simple. Okay, simply make simple flower. And next class, be ready with your watercolors, earbuds, colorful sketch pens if you have, and watercolors and plastic crayon, everything should be ready. Earbud, cotton and watercolor especially. Simply write C for cat, C for cat, okay? And for baby also. And your mama, baby, they both are so happy. They have a big jungle. See, you can add more trees. And see, just to keep it simple, this drawing is having so many characters. Okay, you can skip. If you feel that I don't want to add butterflies, you can skip it. You feel I want to make only one teddy, you can make only one. Okay. And if you find this drawing little tough, and there's so many elements are there, so you just go through recording. Okay. If you feel that this beer is not coming perfectly, don't worry. Although I have cleared it, but if you still want revision, so you can just take help of recording. Okay. I will show this bushes using letter C. And I will simply add some flowers. Okay, some flowers here. Very simple. You can try any other kind of flowers also. And I will not make so many because I'm going to add flowers with earbud and cotton. I will not add many. Okay. See, I add 3 flowers and sticks. Things are so many, but everything is symbolic. Everything is symbolic. Okay. And next class is again going to be little challenging. Keep your plastic crayons, watercolors, earbud, cotton, even you have sketch pen, colorful sketch pen, keep them ready. Because in our drawing, so many small elements are there. Like fishes are very small. So you can use even sketch pen colors also. And you can show little grass. Show little grass here. And this is our complete output. Look at this is our complete output. Finish it. Students are making. Continue. Continue making. Okay. And as I told you, if you feel that one study I am able to do and second is, all of you show, those who have done, they can show their work. Yes. Those who have done, they will show their work. Because things, so many elements are there, but each element is symbolic, simple. Like fish, simple as a small child can make it. Very nice. Achha, many students have made things very small, like very small, tiny, but all of you please hold it for some times. Shabash. Okay, so here you learn so many things. And overall, this is very beautiful. If you don't know how to make this kind of flower, you can simply change the kind of flower. Okay, you can make any other also. Yes, so Environment Day competition is, school is holding it and all, no? So you can try this because this drawing is our own idea. This, you will not find it anywhere on YouTube or anywhere. So you can easily try this because sometimes in competition they ask you, the idea should be yours. So yes, this is our idea. You can easily use it. And it is so simple. Although elements are so many, but things are very simple. And still, if you feel that I want revision of this, so you can simply use, okay, I want to check again because many students, they didn't show their work. And you will be giving outlines in this complete artwork like this. Show yours, Varenya. You have not done? Huh? Things are left? Show me. It is so beautiful. Varenya, continue. Only thing you are supposed to do, Varenya, you are supposed to make things little big. You are making very small, tiny. You can make it big. It is A3 size paper. So don't make very small, tiny. And many students are making very tiny. Yeah, things are small, but not very small. Okay. So this way your artwork is done. And you will be giving outlines in this complete artwork. I have like this. Okay, like this work. You will be giving outlines in your complete artwork. This is your homework. Okay. And before winding up, once again, I want to meet all of you because many of you were not able to meet me. And I decided that I will meet everyone. And the reason behind meeting everyone is I really want to give my blessings to everyone. You all are doing amazing work. You are amazing artists. And I'm really proud of you. Keep sending your artworks to me. And wherever you are stuck, or you find anything difficult, simply open recording and do revision. Revision is always helpful. Okay? So keep this thing in mind and keep doing wonderful work. Every time when I open my screen, many students have so many artworks to show me. So I'm very happy you are trying your hand on other artworks also. Keep sending them to me and I will love to check them. I will love to send my appreciation. So with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care.